Hi everyone, this is Mahi. Sometimes wisdom comes to us in the most unexpected ways, from the words of a stranger, a simple story, or even a fool who's wiser than all of us. Today, I want to share with you a beautiful story about Behlul, a man whose actions remind us what true justice really means. One day, a poor man was walking through a busy market. He hadn't eaten for a long time and felt very hungry. As he passed by a small restaurant, the smell of delicious food came from a big pot on the fire. The man stopped, took out his piece of dry bread, and held it above the steam. He smiled as the warm smell touched his face. Slowly, he ate his bread, enjoying the smell of the food even though he couldn't afford to buy it. When he was about to leave, the shopkeeper shouted, "Hey, stop right there. You must pay for the smell of my food." The poor man looked at him in shock. "But I didn't eat anything," he said. The shopkeeper crossed his arms and replied, "You used the smell. You owe me money." People in the market stopped and gathered around. The poor man didn't know what to do. At that moment, Behlul, a man known for his strange but wise behavior, walked by. The poor man asked him for help. Behlul turned to the shopkeeper and said, "Did this man eat your food?" "No," said the shopkeeper, "but he enjoyed its smell." Behlul smiled. He took a few silver coins from his pocket and shook them in his hand. The coins made a soft, clear sound. Clink, clink, clink. Then Behlul said, "Now come closer, shopkeeper. Take the sound of these coins as your payment." Everyone started laughing and the shopkeeper's face turned red. Behlul said calmly, "This is fair. The man only smelled your food and you only heard my coins. Justice is done." The poor man thanked Behlul and walked away with a smile. That day, the crowd learned that true justice means balance. Greed makes us blind, but kindness opens our eyes. Sometimes, the wisest people are those who see the truth in the simplest moments. Life always gives us chances to choose between greed and grace, between taking and giving. May we always choose kindness, because in the end, that's where real wisdom lives. Thank you for listening. If this story touched your heart, stay with me for more inspiring stories told in slow and clear English. This is Mahi, and I hope to meet you again in the next episode.